If you've ever tried building something from a free plan online, you probably know the struggle. Missing steps, vague instructions, and by the end, you've wasted wood, time, and patience. That's why TedsWoodworking caught my attention. It claims to solve all of that with one package. So, what is it? It's a digital library of over 16,000 woodworking plans. Everything from furniture and garden projects to tiny crafts and toy builds. Each plan is designed with step-by-step instructions, cutting lists, and schematics, often with multiple angles so you're not left guessing. Along with the plans, you get extras. CAD software to view and tweak designs, 150 woodworking videos, guides on techniques, and even a book about starting a woodworking business. Plus, lifetime updates, meaning they keep adding new plans over time. The cost is a one-time $67, backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. Now here's the good. The sheer variety is impressive. Whether you're a weekend hobbyist or someone with years of experience, there's plenty to choose from. The cutting and material lists also help you save money and avoid mistakes. And having thousands of plans in one place means you'll never run out of ideas, but it's not perfect. The quality isn't consistent. Some plans are excellent, while others look dated or harder to follow. Navigation can be clunky with so much material packed in, and while beginners can use it, some projects still expect you to have a bit of know-how. So here's the takeaway. If you're expecting 16,000 flawless plans, you'll be disappointed. But if you see it as a giant toolbox of ideas, some polished, some rough, it can be really useful. For the price of a single woodworking book, you're basically getting a lifetime library. Would I recommend it? Yes, but with the right expectations. It's not a magic bullet, but it's a resource that can spark creativity, give you plenty of projects to tackle, and grow with you as your skills improve. So, if you had access to a plan that was crystal clear and ready to go, what's the first thing you'd want to build? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas.